Hi all, welcome to Tabm Tech. Today we are going to make a night lamp with this simple circuit which works on 230 volt. It uses a very few components, one 100k resistor, one 407 diode and one LED. Next we will find the wattage of this 100k resistor. For simplicity, we have removed all other components and connected the 100k resistor across 230 volt. This is done only for doing the calculations. We are applying Kirchhoff's law. Here I is equal to V by R, that is equal to 230 by 100k, which will give you a result of 0.0023 amp, and the power dissipation in the resistor is I square R. So 0.0023 square 100k, which will give you a 0.59 watt, which is just above 0.5 watt. So 1 watt resistor will be safe to use here. We are assembling all the components inside this 2-pin plug so that the night lamp will appear very small and elegant. The components we are using is a 100k 1 watt resistor. We'll be selecting only one, and 1 and 4007 diode. We are using a blue color LED. We can select whatever you like, and the heat shrink tube, which will work as a sleeves. We will be assembling everything inside this 2-pin plug and we will close it. We will put the LED outside and bend it upwards. We will be using this glue stick there. It's a transparent one, and by refraction it will appear very beautiful. And we are not using the whole length, we will be using only this much. Let's do it. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe button. Done. Let's test it. I'm giving this to 230 volt outlet. Now switch off it and insert it when switched on. You can see the LED is lighting, but it is flickering. This is because we have used a half wave rectifier here. In reality, you can't feel it because of the percentage of vision, and in order to avoid it, you have to use 470 MFT 25 volt capacitor across this LED that will work as a filtering capacitor. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe button. If you like our video, please click the like button. Try this at your home. If you like our video, please click the like button. If you don't like our video, please click dislike button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe button. This is Gr with Kr and signing off. See you again in another video.